Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Rytan RY82 key gauge thrust bearing assembly. This is called the Rytan RY82 is a replacement part for the RY100. It's mentioned on the page, RY256 and RY45 series machine. And it's not unusual to buy a set of new thrust bearings. The first Rytan machine that I owned, I tended to really over-tighten the screws more than was necessary. And it does fatigue your set of washers. The second machine, I am admittedly incredibly partial to Rytan. Not only because I'm a distributor, but because I personally, you can't see it, but my Rytan is right over behind this shelf, my RY200, and it's built, the proverbial saying, it's built like a tank, and it's built like a elegant tank. Heavy, strong, durable, repeatable, predictable, reliable, will run all day long. And yes, if it seems like I'm partial to Rytan, it's because I am. Period. End of sentence. So the thrust bearing assembly is comprised of these two washers and this specialized bearing. Now this is an RY82. There is a link below this video to a couple of documents. Oops. The document that I'm looking at is the exploded view, and the RY82 shows up as part number 50, and when you search RY82, you'll find where it comes into play. Okay? And you'll see where it comes in terms of fatiguing the parts. If you're over tightening, the key needs to be held and not moved, but you're also not going to take that machine and just race it through so that you're really severely stressing the parts, so to speak. Nice and gentle. Give it a tight, and then you're done. That's what I've come to. Washer diameter, thicknesses, whatnot. Thickness 0.032, 0.032 thick. Outside diameter 0.798, 0.798 outside. Inside diameter 0.382, 0.382 on the ID. Then your thrust bearing, it's going to have a thickness of 0.078, 0.078. Its outside dimension 0.796 outside, with an ID 0.381 ID. Okay. There's the next link below this video to a document called Master Operation Manual Index, which will allow you to review the installation instructions for the RY45. And then finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Rytan products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Pretty much everything you buy, not everything, but many things, I should say, that you buy will come with a catalog. Very nice and handy to see what Rytan has available and is selling, and if you are already an owner of their products, you'll probably be quite happy to get that catalog. Other than the absolute superior caliber of the equipment, what goes hand in hand with that is the absolute superior caliber of the technical support. I asked one time what it would be to... The question was something about how to convert one of their punch-in dies from a particular keyway to the next, and the absolute professional, this lady who answered the phone, knew exactly right off the top of her head. You needed like 5 different parts to convert the punch from one brand to like small format, interchangeable core. Phenomenal. Followed with an email, detailed every piece, made sure I knew if I had any questions on how to do the conversion to let them know. You just can't beat that top-level service. If you're not sure about Rytan, I cannot more strongly urge you to try their tool. I think you'll be a converted client for life once you start. If you have any questions on the Rytan RY82 key gauge thrust bearing assembly or any other Rytan product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.